Hello YouTube, and welcome to your first Java tutorial. And in this video we're going to be installing Eclipse. So as I'm doing right now, you're going to want to Google Ninite installer and click on the first link. And when you're in here, you're going to want to click on three things: Eclipse, Java 8, and Java JDK. And then just click Get Your Ninite. I'm not going to do this because I already have it installed, but I trust that you can install a simple program. So after that, you will want to click on the icon and click Launch after you make a folder for your workspace. So I'm just going to demonstrate that now. Just going to make a folder and then just name it Workspace or whatever you want to name it. Then I already have one, so I'm not going to make one. And then just click Launch. I already have it opened, so when I just go down here, I can open Eclipse and I have it set up. So now we're just going to set up Eclipse, and by doing this, we're just going to close out a lot of the folders that Eclipse automatically has open, because I don't find them very useful. But we are going to need the console, so go to Show View under Window and click Console, and then just drag it over to the left there like I did. And then you can just size Eclipse however you want with the bar. And then a lot of the things that people don't know with Eclipse is you can change the theme. So go to Window Preferences, and you can change the theme however you want. Like you can change it dark right here, but just play around with the settings and see what you like. And then just go ahead and you can create a new Java project. We're not going to do any programming today, we're just going to get everything set up. So name it First Project, and then those are just all of the Java libraries that we are going to be using. And one thing I would like to say here is you always start your class name with a capital letter. It's just common Java programming, you just always start it with a capital letter. And like I said, you can change the theme back. I'm going to change it back to white. Just I feel like it's easier for you guys to see. Click Apply and we're good to go. So that is pretty much it for this video. I am going to show you how to increase the text size by just clicking Control and plus, or Control and minus for decreasing it. And then here is the main method. This is what you guys need to memorize. You're not going to understand it until later in the tutorial series, but you just need to memorize that. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.